If you had to choose one Google tool to promote your Temu products, which would you pick and why? How would you personally grow a $100,000 business using only organic Google traffic and Temu's best products? Let me help you. Make sure to watch until the end as we're diving into an exciting topic that could change your financial future. Starting a $100,000 business using innovative tactics from Google and Temu. In this video, we'll explore effective strategies that can help you leverage online platforms to maximize your profits. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur or someone looking to scale your existing business, we've got valuable insights just for you. We'll kick things off by discussing how to harness the power of Google's tools for market research and customer engagement. Then, we'll shift gears to Temu, a rising star in e-commerce, and reveal how you can tap into its unique offerings to boost your sales. Our goal is to provide you with actionable steps that are not only easy to understand, but also fun to implement. So, if you're ready to unlock the secrets of successful business growth and learn how to make your first $100,000, stick around. You won't want to miss the tips and tricks we have in store for you. Let's get started. Understanding Google Business Tools. In today's digital landscape, leveraging Google's suite of business tools can be a game changer for entrepreneurs. First up is Google Ads, a powerful platform that allows you to reach potential customers through targeted advertising. With Google Ads, you can create campaigns that appear in search results, helping you connect with users actively looking for products or services like yours. This targeted approach can significantly boost your visibility and drive traffic to your website. Next, let's talk about Google My Business. This tool is essential for enhancing your local visibility. By creating a profile, you can manage how your business appears in local searches and on Google Maps. This means potential customers can easily find your location, read reviews, and get essential information about your services, making it a must-have for any local business. Finally, we have Google Analytics, which is crucial for tracking your business performance. This tool provides valuable insights into your website traffic, user behavior, and conversion rates. By analyzing this data, you can make informed decisions to optimize your marketing strategies and improve overall performance. Together, these tools can set you on the path to success. Leveraging Temu for product sourcing. If you're looking to source products at competitive prices, Temu is a fantastic platform to consider. First, let's discuss how to navigate Temu effectively to find trending products. Start by exploring the various categories and using the search bar to filter results based on your niche. Pay attention to customer reviews and ratings as these can guide you toward popular items that are in demand. One of the significant advantages of using Temu is the option for bulk purchasing. Buying in larger quantities can lead to substantial cost savings, allowing you to maximize your profit margins. Look for deals or discounts on bulk orders, which can further enhance your purchasing power and make your business more competitive. However, before finalizing any orders, it's crucial to conduct quality checks. Always request samples if possible and review product specifications carefully. This step ensures that you're not only getting a good price, but also high-quality products that will satisfy your customers. By leveraging Temu wisely, you can build a successful product sourcing strategy that drives your business forward. Creating a marketing strategy. Developing an effective marketing strategy is essential for promoting your products and driving sales. One powerful avenue is social media marketing. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok allow you to showcase your products visually and engage with your audience directly. By creating compelling content and utilizing targeted ads, you can reach potential customers where they spend a significant amount of their time. Another crucial component is utilizing SEO techniques to drive organic traffic to your website. By optimizing your content with relevant keywords, improving site speed, and ensuring mobile friendliness, you can enhance your visibility on search engines. This not only attracts more visitors, but also establishes your brand as a credible source in your niche. Lastly, don't underestimate the importance of email marketing for customer retention. Building an email list allows you to communicate directly with your customers, offering them exclusive deals, product updates, and personalized content. This ongoing relationship can lead to repeat purchases and foster brand loyalty. By integrating these strategies using Google and Temu, you can create a comprehensive marketing plan that effectively promotes your products and drives business growth. Building an online presence. Establishing a strong online presence is crucial for any business looking to thrive in today's digital marketplace. First and foremost, having a user-friendly website is essential for conversions. A well-designed site that is easy to navigate not only enhances the user experience but also encourages visitors to explore your products and make purchases. Ensure that your website is mobile responsive and loads quickly to keep potential customers engaged. Content marketing plays a significant role in engaging customers and building brand loyalty. By creating valuable and informative content, such as blog posts, videos, and infographics, you can attract and retain your audience's attention. This not only positions your brand as an authority in your niche, but also fosters trust and encourages customers to return for more. Additionally, online reviews and customer testimonials are powerful tools for establishing credibility. Positive feedback from satisfied customers can significantly influence potential buyers' decisions. Encouraging customers to leave reviews and showcasing these testimonials on your website can enhance your reputation and drive more sales. By focusing on these elements, you can build a robust online presence that effectively supports your business growth. Scaling your business. Effectively scaling your business requires a strategic approach that focuses on growth opportunities. One of the first steps is to analyze your sales data. By examining trends, customer preferences, and purchasing patterns, you can identify areas for growth. This data-driven approach allows you to make informed decisions about where to invest your resources for maximum impact. Another key strategy is to expand your product lines based on customer feedback. Engaging with your customers through surveys, reviews, and social media can provide valuable insights into what they want. By responding to their needs and preferences, you can introduce new products that resonate with your audience, ultimately driving sales and enhancing customer satisfaction. Additionally, partnerships and collaborations can play a significant role in scaling your business. By teaming up with other brands or influencers, you can tap into new markets and reach a broader audience. Collaborations can also lead to shared resources, reducing costs, and increasing efficiency. By focusing on these strategies, analyzing sales data, expanding product lines, and forming partnerships, you can effectively scale your business and achieve sustainable growth. In conclusion, as we wrap up our discussion on starting a $100,000 business using Google and Temu tactics, let's recap the key strategies we covered. We explored the importance of utilizing Google's tools such as Google Ads and Google My Business to enhance visibility and reach potential customers. We also highlighted how to leverage Temu for product sourcing, emphasizing the benefits of bulk, purchasing, and quality checks. Additionally, We discussed effective marketing strategies, including social media marketing, SEO techniques, and the power of email marketing for customer retention. Now that you have these valuable insights, it's crucial to take action on the tactics we discussed. Implementing these strategies can set you on the path to success and help you achieve your business goals. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Don't forget to like and share this video with fellow entrepreneurs who could benefit from these insights. Your engagement helps us create more valuable resources for you. We wish you the best of luck on your entrepreneurial journey. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos from additional source income, money strategies, and much more. Check out my playlist and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.